Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to Talk Help Guy. Today I'm gonna show you where to find your drafts in Instagram. So first thing we want to do, we want to open Instagram. And then from here, I'm gonna create a post. So let's say this image right here. So for this to work, you need to have something saved as a draft. So since I don't have anything, in order to show you where you can find the drafts, I have to create the draft first. So that I'm gonna name this solo leveling. Then I'm gonna check out the other details. Now I'm gonna go back. And then once you hit X, click Save Draft. And then afterwards, you now have a drafts list whenever you start a post. And that's it. Hopefully we were able to help you out on this. If we did, please of course not forget to hit the like and subscribe button and follow us for more videos only here on Talk Help Guy.